Hey, what's going on?
Hey, I clean my nails.
She's cleaning her fingernails.
Hey, look.
With her little fingernail tool.
My nails getting cool. And in school, I got people look at the nails and don't be jealous.
Okay, I found these Lowry's Bacon Curls microwave pork rinds. One is the original flavor, the other one is hot and spicy.
Hey.
And it says they both have less than 1 gram total carbs per serving. This is what the original looks like. And that's what that one looks like. And I will be popping these, and then we'll come back, and Alice will be eating her little snack.
I'm hungry.
She's hungry for her snack. All right.
My cheese puffs.
But we're gonna. These things come in like these.
Oh, my cheese puffs.
She called them cheese puffs. They're actually little popcorn puffs. But see, they come in like little tiny popcorn microwave bags. Sound hicky. But they come in little microwave bags, and we're gonna pop these. And we'll be back, and Alice will have her snack, and we'll have these popped up for you.
Pop bags.
All right. Tell them we'll be back.
Pop bags. Pop.
All right, we're back. We just got done popping them. I think this one and this side is the original, and I think this side is the hot and spicy. Can't really tell by the packaging after the pops. And these are those Lowry's Bacon Curls, like off of Bad Boys. Lowry, Michael Lowry, Will Smith's character. Okay, see how these open up. Show you what they look like. Don't smell that bad. It actually smells like pork rinds. They actually puff up. I didn't think they were going to. I didn't know what they were going to look like.
But it popped out.
There's what the original looked like.
Yeah, I got that.
Huh?
I got pig's tips.
They are pig chips. Yep, this is the spicy.
I know that.
You can tell by the color.
That was orange and that was original.
Yep, the hot and spicy, the orange color. You can still hear them kind of crickling a little bit, crackling. But see how these taste. These are actually really good. They taste like fresh pork skins.
Hey, guess what? Mama looking at us, guys.
Wash that down a little bit. And that was the original one that I tried. This is the hot and spicy. Those are good too. Dang. Hear that popping? I would recommend both of these. These are actually really good. I might start buying these instead of those pre-made ones. Because these things taste fresh. I don't know how they did it. Like put the oil or something inside of like popcorn.
Oh, butter taste buds.
But I had my doubts. I didn't think this was going to come out looking that good. Or even tasting that good. But it did. Alright. Well, we're fixing to take off. You showing that you're using chopsticks?
Right here. Now, you just put your finger like this, and Nana don't know how to do it, but it's Tito.
She said her Nana doesn't know how to use chopsticks, but she's trying to teach her.
This is plastic ones.
Mm-hmm.
Plastic.
Alright, well, we're taking off. See you guys later. Tell them bye. Oh, take your bite first. You don't have to rush. You can take your time. Take your time.
Dance.
She has to do a dance, she said.
Bye-bye.
All right, see you guys later. There's her dance.
Mm-mm.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time on the next episode. Thanks for watching.